Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're looking at a panoramic image that we visited before a couple of times and we probably will a few more times. This is one of the richest images out of the NASA JPL archive, and there is so much here. We'll be coming back frequently, I'm sure. I mentioned before how I do this. I go into the archive, I take screenshots of usually panoramic images that look interesting, and then I come back and I work on them. And I was so excited when I found this image that, boy, I pulled it out and I cut it up and I started working on it, and I discarded all the information as in where it came from and a web address and everything. And now I can't find it. I can't find it to save my life. I have spent hours and hours trying to find it to no avail. It could be gone. I mean, NASA's been known to take pictures out of the archive, particularly ones that are very telling. There was one of Cape St. Vincent, a Victoria crater, where the Curiosity rover was taking pictures of that, and that was a crazy, insane picture. But it's gone now. They just have a picture of the side of the bluff, and that's all there is. Right now you're looking at a gigapan, and it's all of the same place. Now this picture here you're looking at, we're really focusing on what's behind the structure on the rocky bluff there. You can see the geometric shape of rectangular construction pattern of rectangles inside of rectangles. And then also we want to take a look at what's on top of that hillside going up on the other side over there, because there are many buildings up there. But first I want to talk about what you see in the foreground frequently. It looks just like this. You can sort of see shapes. Maybe it's houses. I don't know. This is a picture of Rio de Janeiro that I made to look like just like on Mars. Same thing here. Looks just like what you see in the foreground frequently, but again, that's just another picture in Rio de Janeiro there. This is a shot of what I'm talking about. You can see the shapes in there, and nothing's really clear enough, and everything is the same color, and it just makes it so difficult to bring out. And unfortunately, like in these pictures, there is no great picture at the end like the Earth pictures. This is it. That's all we have. But looking in the background again, I got a little more contrast on this picture here, and this one too, obviously. And you can really see the pictures back there. I took all the color out of this one, and you know me, I have to color something, right? So I went ahead and colored the structure on the top of this bluff here. I just think it's the coolest picture ever. And there's four areas of this picture: the top, the hillside, the valley below, and the bluff in front of us. But we're focusing on the back. And I've inverted this picture here, and you can see the buildings up on the top, way in the back there, in the dark color. You can also see the geometric shapes of the construction there, of the rectangles. The dark area in the middle is the valley that was white, and you can make out some of those shapes down there. And then, of course, the bright white thing in front is the rocky bluff. This is a little bit closer shot. Don't want to come in on it too tightly, because then you kind of lose perspective. This is another inverted shot, closer in, and those buildings on top are much more visible now. It looks cool. I want to be there. I don't know, something about that dark shot is really intriguing to me. Again, you can see all the geometric shapes in the front, and I desaturated. But this is such a huge image. Once again, to show it to you, I had to cut it in half and show you both sides at one time. I wish I could show you the whole thing. Thanks, folks, for joining me, and we'll see you again soon.